Hi, I'm David with Mustang Survival, and I'm here to talk to you about a few products today. First product we're going to start out with is the MRV 150. This is a universal swift water rescue vest. It's got a high buoyancy, 25-pound U.S. Coast Guard approved PFD. It's got an easy to adjust owning system. It's got layered flotation foam design. Makes it easier to maneuver, get around, especially when you're out in the field. It's got 62 square inches of the Solus tape. It's got the MOLLE for quick connections on the top, and then you also have MOLLE inside the pockets. It's got the quick release. It's got a D-ring that you can use to connect other devices. And then you've got pull rings on the back. Very nice, secure system. Again, the Solus tape for reflection. Perfect for infield use. Okay, moving into our next product, we're talking about the MSD 576. The 576 is a water rescue dry suit. It's designed for swift water rescue, and it's got the cache suit design. I'm sure most of you know what that's available in 4 sizes, and it's got new features for improved mobility. And the function is specific for this in water rescue. With the 576, many of the features are, you've got the rapid repair technology like in the neck, where you can replace the neck or you can do a quick repair out in the field. You've got the Velcro, you've got the drawstring to make adjustments on the neck. Many other features, you've got the large zipper for in and out, makes it easier for the individual getting in and out. You've got the reinforced knees, reinforced bottom, reinforced elbows. Great all-around dry suit with a cache design. Okay, moving into the next products, what we're going to be talking about is throw bags. Throw bags are a very essential part of any water rescue kits. They're very compact, you can see, they're lightweight, and they're designed specifically the 075 to meet the reflective requirements for industrial applications. The 175 really is designed for maximum throwing efficiency, so it's got a little larger opening. It comes with 75 feet of the rope. Both do. They've got tie-off ends. This is a little different in as far as rescue. The 175 has exactly 75 feet, so it makes it a lot easier to go ahead and fit or measure out when you're trying to do a rescue at the time. So there we have the 075, the 175, better for industrial and great for rescue. Final product we'd like to talk to you today about is the IC 9001. The IC 9001 is an Ice Commander rescue suit. It's basically intended for ice and still static water rescue. It's a great product. It's universal fit. It's got waterproof with watertight hood, integrated gloves, and attached boots. This product that we look at today is made of high visibility welded nylon shells, and it's got a heavy-duty, flexible, full-length zipper. Other features in the IC 9001, you've got reinforced knees, you've got reinforced padded 2.5-inch neoprene seats and elbows. It's an essential part for any water rescue. If you have any questions on any of these products or any other Mustang Survival products, contact your Banner representative. Thank you.